Next, we have, matter of fact, why don't we use the fixed blade to open this next guy? Okay, I don't want to cut the box, so let me find a way to make a very precise cut. All right, every knife having the honors of opening the next knife. How about that? All right, this is the, let me see if I can spell it right, AsherKnives.com. So Asher Knives, first debut here in the channel. Let's see what this guy is all about. Ooh, check this guy out. Okay. Boom. Okay, got the logo right there in the pivot. G10 handle going on. Reverse pocket clip that is deep carry. We got the paper clip wire pocket clip going on for the first time in the channel. I haven't had a clip like this before, so that's pretty neat. So here we are checking it out, and let's see what this blade is all about, you guys. Boom. Okay, awesome. Look at this thing. Got the nice, quite the opening right there on the blade. Gives you a lot of access. This guy is a liner lock, and let's check out the drop action. How drop shotty is it? Boom. Reverse flick. Boom, on point. Let me check out the thumb deployment. Ooh, I like the sound. Oh, you got two different sounds on this guy. If you reverse flick it, it sounds one way. If you thumb deploy it, ooh, it sounds a little different. I like that. I like that a lot. Blue G10 going on. Got a spacer or linear post or standoff going on in the back, which is nice. It hides it away from the show side, which is good. All right, so that way it's not showing here, but it's nice and tucked away. Very long back spacer, which feels really good. And yeah, deep carry. This thing is going to be interesting to EDC because, man, the action on this thing is pretty good. I love the sound. We have a flat grind going on here. This is CPM 20CV, right? So this is no budget steel. This is some good stuff. Little wiperoo there going on so we can get a better look at this blade. All right, I decided to stop being lazy and get the, wipe cloth and actually give it a good wipe. And check it out. It is a nice tumble finish, it looks like. I was going to say stone wash, but it looks like a tumble finish. It has some reflectivity to it as well. Certain level of reflectivity going on there. The ergonomics on this guy are pretty comfortable. No forward choil or finger choil on this one, but this grip right here feels really, really good and comfortable. Man, there's something to be said about these wire clips because I don't even feel it there. To me, it's almost as if there isn't even a clip. That is a first for me. I'm experiencing that for the first time. All the knives that I have, none of them have a wire clip, so that's interesting. Definitely a little bit of a game changer there. I can see why people like those so much. And yeah, I can take this. I can tell this thing is going to be very, very slicey. I like how it is a drop point, and it's sort of almost borderline worn cliff, but it does have a little bit of belly right here. Nice and very clean edge going on. A little bit of a nick right here, but man, this thing is wonderful. So yeah, I'm excited. That is knife number 3. Let's keep moving forward, otherwise this video is never going to end. So what do we have next? Of course, this guy's gonna do the honors. Let's check out this next bad boy here. Again, very, very careful. Ooh, this guy is sharp. This guy is indeed very, very sharp. So careful now, Miguel. Be very, very cautious. And ooh, drop shotty? I think so. Drop shotty, I think so. I believe we have, yes, ball bearings going on here too. So that is, this thing is making a very good first impression, I'll tell you that. The first knife we looked at right here, this little guy, nice and slicey, easy to carry, small factor. Then we looked at this nice fixed blade, right, with sheath and everything. That's pretty cool. And keep in mind, guys, I'll be dropping reviews for each one of these. The Asher Knives liner lock right here was the third one that we looked at. Then we looked at this guy. We still gotta get a feel for it, but I promise you I'll get the hang of it. And last but not least, check this guy out. Boom. There you have it, guys. Got some wonderful, amazing unboxing for you all today. Really, I'm speechless right now. Don't know what to say. It's quite a lot of knives that I'm gonna be EDCing here over the next week or two. Honestly, I may not even have that much time because typically the cycle is that, we borrow the knives for about a week and then we have to send them to the next person on the pass around. But I'm going to try to EDC them like crazy over this next week because there's just so much here. So much to take in right now. I don't even know where to start. So of course, this is a unboxing experience, right? First impression. You guys saw what my reaction is out of the box. It will be very unfair to call this a review, since obviously I need to spend some time EDCing these knives, experiencing them myself, so I can gather some feedback to share with you all. So if you aren't already subscribed, this will be an awesome time to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button while you're at it, because why not? It helps the channel grow, and it helps this video reach a larger audience. On the way out, if you want to help out the channel a step further, you can do so over on Patreon for as little as $1 a month. If you made it to the very end, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you all so much for all your support. Chances are the review for the Civivi Sentinel Strike is going to be ready to go. If that's the case, I'm going to put a card right here for you guys to check out that video next. You guys take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.